Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use sketch pens. First, let's explore the exciting world of sketch pens. You'll find many types, like alcohol-based and water-based, each offering unique qualities. We'll also look at different nibs, such as brush tips for broad strokes and fine tips for intricate details. Choosing the right paper, perhaps a smooth, heavy cardstock of at least 100 pounds, is crucial for preventing bleed-through and achieving vibrant colors. Let's get started. Now, let's dive into essential techniques. Achieving consistent lines requires steady hand pressure. Try practicing straight lines and curves. For smooth blending, apply lighter colors first, then layer darker shades while the ink is still wet, working in small, circular motions. You can create beautiful gradients by overlapping colors by about 1/4 of an inch. Layering also helps build intensity, allowing you to achieve rich, deep hues with just a few passes. Practice makes perfect. Ready to elevate your art? Advanced techniques like cross-hatching, using parallel lines at different angles, add incredible texture and shadow. Stippling, creating patterns with tiny dots, is perfect for subtle shading. For stunning gradients, apply color in light, even strokes, gradually increasing pressure or layering a second color. You can also combine sketch pens with other mediums, like colored pencils or fine liners, to add intricate details or highlights, expanding your creative possibilities immensely. Experiment and have fun. To ensure your sketch pens last for many years, proper care is key. Always store them horizontally to keep the ink evenly distributed and prevent drying out. If a nib gets dirty, gently wipe it with a lint-free cloth. For pens that seem dry, try gently pressing the nib onto a scrap piece of paper for a few seconds to encourage ink flow. With good care, your favorite pens will continue to deliver vibrant, consistent color for hundreds of hours of creative work. Happy drawing!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.